am Nitisha Thongtha. My nickname is Film, a third year student at Rajmongkol University of Technology Isan. I love animals very much, whether they are cat or dog. My cat name is Bai Khao, and my dog name is Dang, the sunborn one in the house. My family business is farming.